Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners, designed to help you find peace and relief from stress and anxiety. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position or lying down wherever you feel most at ease. Close your eyes gently, or if you prefer, soften your gaze. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension with each breath. Let's do this again. Inhaling deeply, feeling the air expand your chest, and exhaling fully, releasing any tightness in your body. Now bring your awareness to the sensation of your breath. Notice how it feels as it enters and leaves your body. You might feel the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. Allow your breath to flow naturally without trying to change it. As thoughts or distractions come into your mind, gently acknowledge them without judgment, and then bring your focus back to your breath. Each inhale brings relaxation, each exhale releases stress. Now feel the rhythm of your breath, calming your mind and soothing your body. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine sending relaxation to those places, allowing them to soften and loosen up. Let's take a moment to appreciate this present moment, letting go of any worries about the past or the future. You are here now in this peaceful moment of mindfulness with Dr. Sanghita. As we conclude this meditation, take a few more deep breaths, feeling refreshed and calm. When you are ready, gently open your eyes if they were closed, or maintain your soft gaze. Remember, you can return to this sense of calm and relaxation at any time throughout your day. By practicing this meditation regularly, you cultivate inner peace and resilience to face whatever comes your way. So now take a moment to appreciate yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. Namaste.